part 2 of the scientific research that's been conducted on SharkShield. SharkShield is the world's only tested and proven shark deterrent product. Now let's have a look at the research that was done here back in 2003 by Smith and Pettimores. Now Smith and Pettimores aimed to estimate the probability of a shark attack when using an electrical shark repellent. Now in this configuration they use what we now call the Scuba 7, or at that time was the SharkPOD. Now they had two key findings. Most importantly, SharkShield prevented the sharks from feeding off the bait in the test. Now of course, being scientists, they had to have a mathematical probability outcome for the results, and the results were that a shark attack was reduced from 0.7 to about 0.08, quite significant. Let's have a look at the test setup. Now in this test they basically built a framework and they placed the bait in the middle of the two electrical nodes, these being the electrical SharkShield nodes here. Now let's have a look at the electrical field that would surround that bait in this configuration. So using the analysis that was done by the South African National Space Agency in the electrical field, you can see that the bait was right in the centre of the electrical field, in its most powerful place. In this configuration, there were no shark attacks on the bait. The sharks would not feed off that bait 100% of the time. So the key findings from this piece of research was that the sharks would not feed off the bait, and that the probability of a shark attack was reduced from 0.7 to about 0.08. It worked, and it worked all the time in this configuration. Once again, another example of how well SharkShield works in a real-world environment.